Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Okay, take your blindfolds off. Let's see what's new in the studio. Where are you going to play and explore? What's that?
Clay.
Clay. And I have the water here that you can spray the clay.
What's this? I really wanted to play with clay. Yeah!
You're cutting it with the knife? Plastic knife. I have these containers here. Maybe you want to make your own blueberries and put them inside.
I want to.
Would you like to do the same thing, Lily? Make little blueberries? Here. All you have to do is roll the clay into little spheres, into little balls. Can you show me some of your blueberries?
I want blueberry, 2 blueberries, 3 blueberries, and 4 blueberries. 4 blueberries. Now I need this.
You're gonna make some bread?
Is this a real knife?
It's for clay, so it's a little bit safer. What did you do with your clay?
Hot and pepper.
Where's your clay?
It's slippery.
Keeps it moist. That's an interesting technique. Keeps your hands more clean. Is that why you're putting the cloth there? Now what are you making?
This is a new pizza. How you make it a Greek way.
Oh, the Greek way.
This. This is my blender. First, I'm gonna start the part around.
Are you making eggs?
No,
What are you making?
making pizza.
You too?
We're the Greek makers of pizza. Wow!
How's that pizza coming?
Perfect.
Perfect Greek pizza?
Yeah. Make sure I give out the flour.
That would be nice to get a pizza with some flowers.
Where can I put this flour?
Not sure.
In hiding place. The different ones.
What's that?
Yes.
What's that?
For you.
Oh, it's so nice. Thank you. You're so sweet.
Pizza.
Where's yours? What do you say?
My back. He is so strong. He has muscles.